Do you ace? Your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean, static-free workspace. Start by powering off your HAP 15seq1018ns and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the battery. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Locate the battery release latch, slide it to the unlock position, and gently lift the battery out. Now, turn the laptop over to access the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws, ensuring you keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, locate the LCD assembly. You will see several screws securing the LCD cover. Carefully unscrew these, taking note of their positions, as you will need to replace them later. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any hidden screws or clips that may still be attached. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the assembly. If it feels stuck, use the spudger to carefully release any clips that may be holding it in place. At this point, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris from the internal components using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your laptop. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the assembly. Ensure that all clips are properly seated before securing it with the screws you previously removed. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop repaired without any hassle. After securing the new cover, replace the back panel by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel, ensuring they are tightened, but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Finally, reinsert the battery, ensuring it clicks into place. Power on your laptop to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, with our service, there are no calls, no travel, making it easier for you to get your laptop back in working order. And that concludes our step-by-step guide on replacing the LCD cover on the HP 15seq1018ns. Thank you for watching. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.